Good morning, students. Now, today we will start our exercise 14.2. As we discussed in the examples also, how we form a good frequency table and ungood frequency table. So, in the very first question, students, here we need to convert this data in frequency distribution table because the amount of data is small here, right? So, what is given here? The blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. There are some blood groups given A, B, O, AB, right? And we convert this table into frequency distribution table. So first blood group, that is A. Now use the tally mark and count how many students having blood group A. 1, 2, 3. And I use tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And then 6, 7, 8, 9. There are A, 9 is blood group, right? You can count carefully. And then the next blood group is B. Count B. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how can we represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6? The next blood group is what? O. Now count O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How we represent 12? 5, 10, 11, 12. Similarly, we can count AB. How many students having blood group AB? There are 1, 2, and 3. Only 3. This is our table, and can write like total here. How many students are totaling? It is given also 30. You can check 15 plus 15. 30. So this is how we convert the data table in form of frequency table. Now students, the next question. Read the question number 2nd. Here we have the distance of 40 engineers from their place of residence to their place of work were found as follows. There are 40 engineers, and distance given in kilometer, right? Okay. So it is also given that the table which class size we have taken here. Construct the group frequency table with class size 5. So first we need to check the range here, range of the data here. What is the minimum data value here? That is 2. I think 2. Yes, right. So first we take the class interval 0 to 5, right? Now look at here. First is distance in kilometer. Then the second one is what? Second one is tally mark. You can use tally mark, or without using tally mark, you can make a frequency table. Okay, and the number of engineers here. Number of engineers. Right. Now, first, what is important here? Because it is given that the first interval is 0 to 5, right? And what main feature do we observe in this tabular representation? So, can we correct 0 to 5 first? Then, what is the maximum value given here? Read the given data set. What is the maximum value given here? 32, right? So, the last class interval decides our maximum value, right? 0, 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Now we need one more class interval because the maximum value given here is 32. That's why we need 30 to 35, the last class interval. Because you know that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35 are not included in the respective class size, respective class interval. Here the 5 is not included. 5 included in the second. Here the 10 is not included. 10 included in the third class interval. Similarly, 15, 20, and then, right? So, how many engineers having distance 0 to 5 means 0 to 4 actually. Count 0 to 4 datas, and you can see that there are 5 engineers. Now, how many engineers having distance 5 to 9? 5 is included here, and 5 to 9. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that one is 11. Right? Then similarly, you can easily count it and then complete your table. And you see that 10 to 15 again, 10 to 15 again, the 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 again. Now 50 to 20, 50 to 20, how many engineers having distance 50 kilometer to 19 actually, not 20 is not included here. So calculate, that is 9. Now 20 to 25, check. 20 to 24 actually. 25 is not included. So there are only 1. Similarly, 25 to 30. 25 to 30. There is 1, 2, only one here. Then 30 to 35. Actually 32 है इसमें, और क्या है इसमें? Yes, 31 है. 31 और 32 दो ही इंक्लूड होंगे यहाँ पे. That is 2. और आप टोटल लिख दो नीचे 40. Right? So this is the way how we convert the given data set into group frequency table. This table is known as group frequency table, as we discussed in previous segment of this chapter. And in the question number 1, this is the question number 2. And in question number 1, this type of table is there. Yes, there is ungrouped frequency table because only A, B, O blood group is there. There is no group to be defined there. Okay. Okay. Now, similarly, you can convert the tables given in question number 3 and 4 also. The same question given in 3 and 4, you can easily convert the tables given over here. Right? Now, look at the screen, students. Look at the screen. You can easily convert this question number 3 and question number 4 in the group frequency table, because in the question number 3 it is given that the distribution is what classes size 84 to 86 and so on. You can check first the maximum value here and then decide the last class interval which we need to taken here, right? Similarly, you can give the answer as asked here. Which month and session do you like this data is about? Means आप जब टेबल कंप्लीट कर लोगे तो आप वहां पर टेबल से ऑब्जर्व करना कहाँ कौन सा मंथ आपको इस ह्यूमिडिटी के लिए आता है, राइट? सो you can see, look at here, the solution of the question number 3, right? And this is a table as we formed for question number 3. So it means which humidity is here. From the data we observe that the relative humidity is high. So data appears to be taken in the rainy season. Understand? Similarly, you can give the answer of the rest of the question asked here, right? In the same question number 4, look at here, 50 students, the height of 50 students is given here, and you convert this table into group frequency table by taking the class intervals 160 to 165 and 165 to 170. Students, minimum value or maximum value is very important here. What is minimum value here? So that you can use the first class interval accordingly. Understand? Look at the data set given here. 150, I think, or the minimum value is what? Can check. I think 150 is the minimum value. So we take 150 to 155 the first class interval. Yes or no? Now, similarly, what is the highest value given here? See, 166, 166, 171, 171 से above क्या है? Check करो, check. 171 the highest है या और कोई है? Look at here, 172, 173. Look at here, 173. इससे highest कोई value है? Check करो. No. So 173 is the last. That's why 170 से 175 हमारी क्लास इंटरवल जो आएगी लास्ट वो आ जाएगी 170 to 175. Understand? बिकॉज 173 हमको गिवन है, तो लास्ट जो क्लास इंटरवल होगी हमारी वो हो जाएगी 170 से 175. Look at here. Look at here. Look. Yes. Look. This is the final interval we get, right? And you can use tally mark also. So it's a very easy to convert the data table. But what is important here, students? Counting is important. The data value which you count, that is very important. अगर आपने एक भी काउंटिंग में डाटा मिस कर दिया तो आपकी सारी टेबल गलत हो जाएगी. So please take care about this, because 155, 160, 165, 170 and 175 are not included in the respective class size. I repeat again, please take care, right? Because 155 is counted as in the second class interval. Okay. Okay. Now students, the question number 5. Again the table data set is given. Convert this table into the group frequency table as class interval is given here. Question number 6 is the same as we convert the 30. There are 3 coins tossed 30 times and the results are there. Okay, number of times जो heads occurs. Now in question number 7, students, we need to convert here this here 0 to 9. So here we convert the table, this data into frequency table. There is no need to convert this table here data into group frequency table, because the number of observations are here very small. So can you convert this table into frequency distribution table, right? Look at this. Look at the screen in question number 7. Look how we convert the digits 0 to 9. Counting after decimal place, as it is given in the question number 7, 3.144 and so on, right? So 50 decimal places as given here, and you can see how many times 0 comes, how many times 1 comes, how many times 2 comes in the after decimal place of value of pi, and you can easily convert this table into frequency distribution, right? So maximum value is what here? 8, that is 3, right? And 9 is also time 8 times 9. The digit 9 is also comes 8 times. So 3 and 9 most frequently occurs digits. Okay. Okay. Now same you can, yes, do the question number 8 and 9 as we discussed in the previous questions, students. So this is all about the exercise 14.2. I hope you can easily convert the given data set into frequency table and group frequency tables as well. So thanks.